Right, let's have a closer look at this chap that I picked up in the charity shop. Oh, a bit of a giveaway now that I can see what's written on there. Farter fig, is that what that says? Yeah. Okay. That appears to be what he does. He seems to do it just at random. Doesn't stand up straight either. It seems to have a selection of sound effects, but they just seem to happen at random. Let's see what sort of batteries it needs. Two screws there, screws there, screws there. I have it in mind to send this to somebody. One of my YouTube buddies. Well, that didn't get him apart. I'm doing those screws. And that needs to. Seems to be a very complicated way of changing batteries. I must be doing something wrong. This doesn't seem right to be working this hard just to change batteries. No, I can't seem to release him. Thank you. Those are definitely undone. was that simple. Just a clip under the back there. So we didn't need to undo those screws. Didn't need to, but being as we've got this far, stopping for a second. Right, carrying on. That one's out. Are you going to separate now? It doesn't want to come apart. I think this one's been screwed and glued. Don't want to break it, that would be a shame. I don't think it's going to come apart easily. Nah. I am guessing, so say, screwed and glued. If I start jamming my knife in there, we'll probably ruin it. That's a very neat line down there where he's stuck together. Yeah, that's got to be glued. That's not going to come apart easily. Okay. Sorry guys, we're not going to go any further because I don't want to break it. I don't want to damage it by putting a knife down the seam there and ruining the paintwork. At least we found out how to change the batteries. So, anything useful in there? Batch code 07. Oh, I guess that (2018) date on it, I think we can say. Yeah, so he works. I'll just measure those batteries, see what condition they're in. Well, they're in excellent condition. No point in changing them. Yeah, they're fine. So I'll put all his screws back in. That goes on that way round, so that's going to be that way, that's going to be that way. Yep, that's right. And that little clip go in there somehow. There we go. Right, okay. Oh, I've got to put the screws back in there, haven't I? those screws. Okay. Come on, line up. Yep. Click it down. Yep. So there we go. Back again. That seems to be completely random on the sound effects. I expect there's a complete selection of them, maybe as a whole band. I've no idea, never seen them before. Somebody will probably recognise them. Say, Farter Fig, it says there. Just tidy that up for the thumbnail. Right, I've done a bit of research now. Apparently it's the Fartist Club. It appears to be 5 different characters. This one is actually called Ripping Randy, followed by Windy Wendy, Farty Flip, Munchy Max, which is a dog, and Dirty Dan. The packaging tells you you've got 10 different fart sounds, and surprisingly enough, you pull his hand to activate them. You've got the switch on the back there, but if you pull his arm or hand, I just like how long some of those are. Yeah. Well, I thought it was worth showing you. It had more features than I'd found originally. Yeah, okay. There are some YouTube videos on them. I might put one in the video description just so you can have a look yourself. and there is still a website for them, the Fartist Club. Yeah, there you go. Amazing what you can find in a charity shop. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.